So this is a VM which we created. This is a server VM which we created, and now I want to install the Azure. Sorry, Active Directory, not Azure Active Directory. Active Directory I want to install. So installation type this one. So based on server selection default, I'll go through it. Okay, I forgot first of all. I have to go for disk management first. I have attached disk, right? So expand it. Otherwise, I won't. Partitions, yeah. This I have to create a disk partition. Yeah, the is created. I think let me check for the disk came or not. Yeah, the disk came. So now I have to select the components. Active data domain services, federation services. Wait. I don't know. Normally, when I checked actually for learning, I have seen only this one. No, active data domain service only. I think is the only item they mention. But I am adding this remaining three also because federation diary. These things also I have to learn. This data certificate service I'm not installing because if you install it, it will let result in some error. One of these components related to this is not working, and in the validation itself it will error. So currently I'm not selecting it. So yeah, that's it. I mean, next. This one I need to select. Next. So this one I'm not checking. Okay. Next. Next. Install. So it will try. It will take some time for installation. We'll wait. So once installation is complete, it will show us option like this. Click on this one. And here, click on this one. It will show option like this. New Forest. So this is a server name we have to give for our AD server. So I'm giving it as forest dot mala mala. Okay. Next. So okay. Now I have to provide a password. So I'm providing the password. So by default, I think it will take my name. Wait for it. It will automatically load. Okay. So if you want to change, you can. But I'm leaving it as like that. So it will do all the prerequisites check. Once it is done, it will show us the option to install. Okay, these are just warnings. So you can go through this. All prerequisites passed successfully. Click on install. So it will give us option to installation is in progress. Sorry guys, I have a giant function actually, so I couldn't able to speak properly. If you have any doubts, if you got any doubts, you can ping in the comments. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know anything, you can ask those things. So once the installation is complete, it will ask for re-sign in again, restarting. So as it is a VM, if you click on close, it will automatically. So I relogged into the VM again. So let me open this one. So for creating, for managing the users and computers, we will go to this one. Okay, this is Active Directory where we, and this is the place where we manage users and devices, computers. So the domain user which we created, and the admin user will be here. And if we want, we can create new users also. Just here, right click on empty tab and click on new. Here you will see user option. Click on that. It will ask for name. I can provide a login name. Password. I'm providing some more password. This one I'm checking. Otherwise, the user has to change the password. Currently, it is not required for me, so I'm removing it. Click on next. Click on finish. User is created. That's it. So this is how we create a. We install the Active Directory and we can create a user. That's it. In the next section, I'll show you how to join the computer into this domain network. Thank you. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any doubts, you can comment it. Thank you.